to undergo a lie detector test. Before the narco test, a polygraph test for Aftab will be done. Cops all set to seek permission from court for this test. The narco test will take place within 7 days of the polygraph test. Cops await a nod from the court now for a lie detector test. And this, of course, comes as part of the protocols to be followed before a narco test to be done. If at all Aftab is fit or not for a narco test, there are some preconditions, some pre-tests that should be done earlier. And that also entails a lie detector test. Aftab now to undergo a lie detector test. And this, before the narco test, a polygraph test will be done. Shreya, to elaborate a little more. Shreya, is this part of the protocol? Should a lie detector test or a polygraph test be done before a narco test? We understand there's a lot of detailing that the medical experts will have to undergo in terms of whether this man is fit mentally, physically, psychologically. And as part of all of that, a lie detector test also to be conducted before the narco test.
Well, see, the reasons that these fall apart of the protocol is probably because it only helps filter down the investigation scientifically a bit more easily for the Delhi police. Now, as we had already earlier said that while the Delhi police has got a narco test permission, there are two more such tests that the Delhi police would obviously want to do. A, this lie detector test, the information that is right now coming in that the Delhi police will be moving court for. And the other information that Delhi police would also like to do is the human mapping of the brain. So there are three such tests that the Delhi police in all likelihood would want to do to probably get a bigger picture. But while we talk that, Nabila, it's also important to point out to our viewers that tomorrow the extension of custody expires with the Delhi police again. So they have already got 10 days of custody of Aftab. Tomorrow when they seek further custody, there'll be 4 more days. That is extremely crucial right now because probably time is going by, and when we talk about such scientific tests, it take a lot of time. Even after a narco test will be conducted, there'll be 3 more days time before the result comes out. Similar goes for a polygraph test. There'll be a 7 days timeline. So whether the Delhi police has that amount of time in hand is also something that we need to see, because tomorrow the extension, the custody expires with the Delhi police. They will seek further custody, but that's only 4 more days in hand. So there are a lot of things that's right now happening that's only making it a little difficult for the Delhi police.
All right, huge development there. All that you need to know on the Shraddha murder case right here on India Today. We believe that a polygraph test, a lie detector test will be done on Aftab before he goes through a narco test. The shocking details of Shraddha's murder case continue to unravel. Investigation has now become a multi-state affair, with Delhi police, the teams of the Delhi police visiting Himachal's Tosh to probe the drug link with this case. Aftab's narco test was in fact to be conducted today, but that too has now been delayed because of certain protocols that to be followed to see whether he's fit enough for a narco test. Meanwhile, the police continue to hunt for Shraddha's skull. They've carried out a search in a pond in Mehroli on Sunday for the same. The cops also now on the lookout for Aftab's family, who have been missing ever since this case has come to light. As per a few eyewitnesses, Aftab's family was in the know-how about his abusive nature towards Shraddha. And from what we hear is that they have moved from the apartment building in Mumbai, where they have lived for many years, to somewhere else. And the police now searching that location on where they are.
श्रद्धा केस में फॉरेंसिक एविडेंस की सबसे ज्यादा अहमियत है। हमारे साथ एफएसएल के असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर संजीव गुप्ता जी और उनके साथ ये पूरी टीम है जो श्रद्धा केस में फॉरेंसिक एविडेंस मिलेगा उसकी जांच करेगी। सर, सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए कि क्या आज नार्को टेस्ट होना है?
आज इस केस का नार्को टेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है।
तो ये आज तक इंडिया टुडे पर बड़ी खबर है कि आज नार्को टेस्ट नहीं होना है।
All right, we're going to cut across to some big breaking news on Aftab killing Shraddha. As the police now try to uncover a lot more detail, we believe he's purchased huge amounts of weapons in terms of a saw, along with some nails, hammers, 2 hammers that have been purchased from a shop in the vicinity. And the police now trying to understand whether this purchase has happened before Aftab murdered Shraddha, or this was after, only to dispose of her body. That apart, a lie detector test will be conducted on him. And as part of the investigation, police are also hunting down Aftab's family members. They're trying to understand where is Aftab's family members at this point. They are not present at the given location or the address that they were living for many years.